Does duct cleaning improve HVAC performance? In most homes, duct cleaning does not significantly improve HVAC performance unless there is visible dust buildup, mold growth, or blockage restricting the airflow, since regular dust in ducts is usually too light to affect how well your system heats or cools your home. Think of your air ducts like the pipes in a house, except instead of water, they carry air. A little dust inside them is normal and does not really slow things down, kind of like how a light layer of dust on a fan blade does not stop the fan from spinning. What actually improves performance is changing your air filter regularly, since a clogged filter forces your system to work much harder and can raise your energy bill. Here's something most people do not know. Duct cleaning became a bigger industry mostly through marketing scare tactics in the 1990s, not because of strong scientific proof that it boosts efficiency. The Environmental Protection Agency has actually stated there is no solid evidence that dirty ducts alone lower your home's air quality in most typical households. So instead of paying for duct cleaning every year, focus your energy and money on filter changes and yearly system checkups. One common mistake is assuming dusty ducts automatically mean a dirty or unhealthy home, when really it is often just normal household dust settling naturally. A good tip is to visually inspect your vents first before spending money on cleaning services. Another misconception is that duct cleaning will fix uneven heating or cooling in different rooms, but that issue is almost always caused by poor insulation, blocked vents, or an improperly sized system. The smart move there is to have a technician check your airflow and insulation instead. Lastly, many homeowners do not realize that some duct cleaning companies use dirty ducts as a scare tactic to sell unnecessary chemical treatments, so always ask for a clear, itemized explanation before agreeing to any extra services. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.